All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. To each and every one of you guys, wherever you are around the world, happy Monday and happy April the 1st, which is April Fool's. So you want to be very careful what you read online today, because there's going to be a lot of jokesters trying to troll people and confuse a lot of people. So, we are past the month of March, and the month of March was an amazing month. Let's just be real. What an amazing month that we have just seen. And now it's the month of April, and we know what's happening this month. Bitcoin having a highly anticipated event that's going to take place for BTC. As we're starting out April, we are seeing Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a rejection, and we are seeing some red across the board. But you guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Book of Meme. A lot of Book of Meme haters right now, I'm sure, are going to be not enjoying these updates because over the past few days, there's quite a bit of hate on Book of Meme. People saying, oh, this project is this project is that, this meme is not going to make it to the top. But at the end of the day, you can't really say that with so much confidence, because you want to really understand what the magnitude of a meme coin really is, how the community is reacting to that, not just listening to ourselves. Sometimes we need to really take a look at the bigger picture. But Book of Meme, starting April 1st, it's really outperforming the top meme coins right now. So we're going to talk about what exactly is next, whether or not we could see some new highs in the upcoming days ahead of us. So before we get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Book of Meme, it's currently sitting at 1.7 cents, up 21.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 25% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap right now is now above $1 billion, to be exact, about 1.15 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.2 billion, more than its market cap, guys. The volume is more than its market cap. This could trigger something bigger than expected, in my opinion. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. If you're looking at the overall meme coin market combined, $66 billion. Obviously this number has decreased compared to yesterday, because of course we are seeing the big boys even seeing a little bit of a retracement. Pepe down 12.6%, Dog with Hat 13.2%, but Dog with Hat has been on a massive upside, and you can pretty much see that with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin itself. But if you were to go down, you're looking at a Book of Meme. You're really having a lot of traction right now, up 21.7%. Could we see Book of Meme making new highs? Obviously that is the question that a lot of people have. We're going to talk about that. Dark Farms, obviously the person that is behind Dog with Hat. I'm sorry, not with Dog with Hat. Wow. What am I saying? Behind Book of Meme is really engaging with the community in such a unique way, and that's something I've been praising about Dark's Farm in the past updates. You guys know I keep it 100% neutral, even though I do hold Book of Meme. I'm not going to come here and sit and say everything is bullish when you really need to be realizing a lot of things, and I'm sure a lot of my viewers can relate with me on that. I keep it 100% real, but so far so good. Really liking this engagement with the community, and it's only going to grow as time goes by. So that's obviously nice, and of course it's a unique twist to it. And there was some questions coming in whether or not the burns are really actually happening. And yes, guys, the burns are happening. The on-chain links are definitely on the Twitter that could be found on Dark Farms. Do not be clicking any other links. If you want to go on the official page, it is, let me just bring it out for you guys, it's at Dark Farms 1, if you want to see what he is posting. So that is that. But let's continue to take a look at what's happening. So Bitcoin dominance still around 53.8%, so not much has changed on that. But if you're looking at Bitcoin, you are seeing BTC did make its way up to $71,333 yesterday, but we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback as we have started the month of April. As we know, the month of April, the Bitcoin halving is taking place, and a lot of people have mixed thoughts. Some people are saying we're gonna go breeze through Bitcoin halving and hit new all-time highs for Bitcoin, and the altcoin market is going to heat up. But there's also some people saying no, sell the news event is going to take place, and I am one of them. I personally think leading up to the halving, maybe like a week before, or 2 or 3 days before. We cannot time that, but I am expecting there will be sell the news event that will take place. But I think shortly after, not too long after that, we will see the market rebounding and going into obviously further into spring and summer, and then obviously Q4, which I'm projecting to be a very exciting time for the crypto space. But like I said, give yourself the next 8 to 9 months time frame. Don't be listening to some of these people that are saying, oh, this cycle is different, this and that. If you don't want to risk your gains, I would say strategize yourself, but historically speaking, and exit your positions out accordingly. But let's take a look at Book of Meme, because guys, look at Book of Meme. It is making some beautiful bounces towards the upside. And I'm sure a lot of people that were looking at Book of Meme just literally 2 days back are probably kicking themselves, because at this resistance itself, since then, let's just bring out the measuring tool for you guys. Literally since March 29th, which is just a few days back, if you picked it up, you are up 37.87%. So it's definitely making a nice move. And this breakout, especially from this key resistance where we set ourselves on March 21st, is giving me a confirmation that 2 cents is not an unrealistic target to be reaching out for. As I've said to you guys before in my other updates, sometimes technical analysis speaks for itself. Obviously, Book of Meme hasn't been in this space for too long, so technical analysis, you can't really do too much. But it started to find a ground for itself, which was above this key level of support, which I've obviously discussed with you guys. And this beautiful bounce that we're seeing right now, it really speaks for itself. And the next, I would say, a few hours, if the daily candle close, now hear me out very carefully, if the daily candle close happens around here or higher, for the month of April, for Book of Meme, I have a strong feeling we could see Book of Meme rallying up to 2 cents plus and start retesting possibly even all-time highs. Because let's face it, next major resistance right now for Book of Meme is around this 2 cents mark, which is only a move of about 15%, guys. So let's say Bitcoin were to bounce back up a little bit, I think this could really trigger Book of Meme to rally up to this 2 cents mark. And obviously then we're off we go, and we can even start discussing all-time highs. I have a very strong feeling this coin is going to perform quite well, obviously with the Solana ecosystem hype as well, and the way it was launched. People know about it, and obviously massive exchange that are backing it, Binance owning such a large amount. I think that can trigger a nice rally. In order for it to hit a new all-time high, it just needs to move about 68%. And as we know, meme coins can move up very fast. If you're looking at Dog with Hat, guys, look at $4 billion market cap, and if you want to compare Book of Meme to Dog with Hat, market cap difference is around $3 billion. So who are we to say that's not a possibility? As of now, I think it's definitely a possibility, especially with this momentum. But if you did pick up some Book of Meme, maybe especially around this March 18th price, and you don't want to lose your gains in case BTC starts seeing a flash crash, then have some stop losses in place for yourself. But I am very optimistic. And again, speaking about optimism, I am speaking on behalf of myself. At the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. But do let me know your thoughts down below. 2 cents, in my opinion, is the next target for myself, and then we're going to take it from there. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.